Hello, this is Crypto CJ. Welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'd like to talk about how I was able to profit from a message in the Altcoin Alert Slack messaging group. It was a retweet of somebody else's tweet, but I saw that, pounced on it, and made big profits. Let's go to the Slack group. It was yesterday afternoon, around 2:30, something like that, when this message came flying across my screen. From one of our Altcoin Alert members, Justin. Big news from my friends at Injective. This is from the Wolf of All Streets, Scott Milker, really well-known crypto trader and teacher. And Coinbase custody now supports deposits and withdrawals for Injective. This usually is a prelude to a listing on Coinbase, so it's sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. Well, I see this, and I pounce on it immediately. I have traded INJ recently in my Binance account, so I'm familiar with the coin. So let's go over to the chart. Okay, so here I am on the INJ chart. I'm on the 1 hour chart. I look at it briefly. I see that it's already up over 50%. I'm thinking, you know, these type of rumors regarding listings can go up 60, 70, 100%, even more. So I'm thinking if I can just get another 10% in the afternoon, that would be great. So I am in at 44.88, 4.4488 at 2:39 p.m. Now the coin I don't set a sell order right away. I want to see where it's going to go. It sort of putzes around sideways, doesn't do much. Then I decide I need to choose an exit point. So I go for my fib extension tool. Trend-based fib extension. I've done one video about this. It's something I use when something's at or near an all-time high. So here's how I use it. I look for the low in the range, and the low to me is this area right here, and up to this area right here. At the time I'm looking at this, I obviously got out later, but this is what I'm looking at around 4 p.m., about an hour and a half after I buy INJ. So I'm up to here and down here. It doesn't really matter where you go sideways. And the 1.272 reading or value is the sweet spot for most traders. So they're looking to get to this spot and then check out of a trade. So that value is 5.2835. I go a little bit lower, around 5.21. I choose that as my exit. The coin actually starts to drop and starts to come back overnight. And maybe we should go to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, so give us a better idea of what's going on. So it's going sideways. It does move up a couple of times. And I almost get out here, but not quite, just a little short. That's 2:55 a.m. I get up around 7. It's actually, yeah, right about here. And I see that it's pretty close to where I want it. And I see that it's already been, you know, right up to the point where I wanted to sell it. I don't want to take any chances, so I cancel my sell order. And I'm going to try to sell it in this area here, right around $5. And my Binance account goes nuts. It won't do anything I want. I try to trade it from my phone. It rejects my order. I come over to my desktop computer, actually rejects me again. I can't do anything on Binance for about an hour and a half, making me nuts. You know, crypto is computer based, and we all know computers have problems sometimes. So it was just one of those things where I had to wait it out. I sent a message to support, and I was, 186 in the queue, so that didn't really help me. I just tried to sell this coin from time to time, and you can see it dropped here. It almost totally wiped out my profits, but then it came back, and then my Binance account was magically restored. Never happened before. But I was able to pull the trigger and get out at 5.2120 at 8:46 a.m. I've got a sweet 17% profit. I'm in this coin for, let's see, about 20 hours. And yeah, 17% in less than a day is a really good day trade. So thanks again to the Altcoin Alert group and my fellow members of the group exchanging ideas. It's so valuable to have this community to exchange information and talk about trading approaches and styles and strategies. I'm, as you know, primarily a day trader. Most of the people in the group, hold trades for longer than I do, but I like to mix it up with everybody and see what I can learn and what I can provide. So that's all I have for my trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages. Check out my tools and resources in the comments. And this is my last video of 2020. So have a happy holiday season. I will see you in 2021. Good night.